Hey everybody, Jason here.
Eric.
Welcome to another episode of
The Balloon Guys. In today's episode, we're going to dive right in.
Wait, Eric. I forgot to tell you guys. Today I am taking my wife and daughter to the zoo. We're going to have a family day.
Oh, that's nice.
It's going to be really fun. But you're going to have to be on your own for this episode of The Balloon Guys. Do you think you can handle it?
Yeah, sure. Of course. Yeah.
All right, man. Well, listen, you have a good time. I'm going to go hang out at the zoo with my wife and daughter. And you guys enjoy your time with Eric. I'll see you next week. Bye.
All right. See you later, Jay.
See you, man.
Oh, this is pretty nerve-wracking here. All by myself. I think I need to get Romeo like a support dog. Where's that lazy little guy? Hold on, let me look for him. Whoa! What in the world is this? It looks like an egg.
I wouldn't touch that if I were you. Do you even know what's inside of that egg?
Well, to be honest, I don't know much about eggs.
Let me help you out. My name is Alfred McWalken. Professor Alfred McWalken. You get me in a sciencey kind of mood, you can tell the teachers at school that you've never seen intelligence so singularly personified as you did on this face right here. I'm a world-renowned expert in anything science.
Wow, I never met a scientist. You're like the smartest dude in the world.
Well, I'm certainly the smartest dude in the room.
So, are you going to tell me what type of animals hatch from eggs?
Of course, but I'm not just going to tell you directly. Let's make it fun. I'll give you some clues so you and everybody at home can figure it out together.
Ooh, like a guessing game.
Wow, you guessed it. This guy's a natural.
Oh, but I'm really going to need everybody's help out there to figure out what's inside of this egg.
You know, Eric, all animals don't lay eggs. For example, mammals are a type of animal that don't lay eggs. They give birth to live young. However, there are lots of animals out there who do lay eggs.
Wow!
So, are you ready for a little Q&A?
Yeah.
What clues shall I give you? I don't want to make it hard. Shall we start?
I'm ready.
This animal is a reptile, so it's obviously cold-blooded. It lays eggs, and it breathes air, just like us.
So, what's in this egg?
This animal moves as slow as a sloth. It can live to be over 100 years old, and when it's in danger, it tucks its head inside its shell.
Those are egg-cellent clues. I know what's in this egg. Is it a turtle?
That's right, Eric. Yes, it is. Listen, if you listen closely, I think you can hear him hatching as we speak.
Oh, he's such a cute little guy.
Oh, wait, Eric, I forgot to tell you, he's a snapping turtle. Wow, Eric, that turtle got you good. Right on the old schnoz.
They don't call it a snapping turtle for nothing.
Well, are you ready for some clues about the next egg?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't let these clues slither by you. This animal has more scales than a doctor's office. And apparently, it's not comfortable in its own skin because it sheds it 2 to 4 times in a year.
Geez, I don't know what it is, but somebody get this creature some lotion.
Eric, you're hysterical.
I try.
This creature is a carnivore, which means it eats meat. Also, it has a flexible jaw which it can unhinge and open wide so they can eat prey actually bigger than its own head. And it has no eyelids. So, let me ask you, do you know what kind of animal is in this egg?
Okay. Is it a snake?
Let's find out.
Okay.
Goodness, Eric, you were right. This is a snake.
He's cute, but does he bite?
Actually, this is a boa constrictor. These type of snakes are known for subduing their prey with venomous bites. What they do is they take their muscular body, they wrap it around their prey and squeeze.
Oh, so I have nothing to worry about.